Imagine sinking your teeth into a juicy, tender meatball, only to discover it's not your ordinary meatball. It's a spicy buffalo chicken meatball, bursting with flavors that dance on your tongue and leave you craving for more. Today we're embarking on a culinary adventure, exploring classic appetizers with a twist. We're about to unveil a world of unique flavors, each one a delightful surprise, redefining your understanding of appetizers. Ready to dive into this gastronomical journey? Well, brace your taste buds because they're in for a real treat. First up on our delectable list is the aforementioned spicy buffalo chicken meatballs. This is your classic meatball, but with a fiery twist. Imagine tender chicken meatballs drenched in a tangy buffalo sauce that will set your taste buds alight. Next, we have the sweet and sour bruschetta. This Italian classic is elevated with a balance of tangy balsamic vinegar and sweet cherry tomatoes, making each bite an explosion of flavor. Thirdly, we present the jalapeno popper stuffed mushrooms. This combination of two popular appetizers creates a spicy, cheesy delight that is sure to be a crowd pleaser. Our fourth appetizer is the lobster guacamole bites. These bites pair the rich, buttery taste of lobster with the creamy freshness of guacamole, all nestled on a crisp tortilla chip. Moving on to number 5, we have the bacon-wrapped dates stuffed with goat cheese. The smoky bacon, sweet dates and tangy goat cheese create a symphony of flavors that will leave you craving more. Our sixth appetizer is the smoked salmon deviled eggs. This twist on a classic adds a touch of elegance with the addition of smoked salmon, creating a decadent, bite-sized treat. Coming in at number 7, we have mini crab cakes with a lemon aioli. These delightful morsels are packed with succulent crab meat and paired with a tangy lemon aioli for a burst of citrusy freshness. The 8th appetizer on our list is the caprese skewers with a balsamic reduction. These skewers take the familiar flavors of a caprese salad and present them in a fun, easy-to-eat format. Our penultimate appetizer is the garlic bread grilled cheese bites. This fusion of two comfort food favorites results in a cheesy, garlicky delight that is simply irresistible. Lastly, we have the prosciutto-wrapped asparagus with a creamy Dijon sauce. The salty prosciutto pairs perfectly with the fresh asparagus, and the creamy Dijon sauce adds an extra layer of flavor. That brings us to the end of our mouth-watering list. Each appetizer, unique in its own way, promises to make your dining experience unforgettable. Now that we've whet your appetite with these delectable appetizers, it's time to take action. Immerse yourself in a world of flavors by shopping with us. Access exclusive deals just a click away. Find the link in the description. Enjoy the convenience of having these culinary delights delivered straight to your doorstep. Don't miss out on these tantalizing flavors. Shop now and access exclusive deals. Find the link in the description. And remember, there's always more to explore in our playlist. Don't forget to subscribe and share with fellow food enthusiasts. Happy feasting!